Signs of the end of the world according to space science. Imagine waking up one morning and discovering that the end of the world has already begun. Not because of war, not because of humans, but because of the universe itself. Space may look peaceful when we look at the night sky, but in reality, the universe is full of powerful cosmic events that could destroy planets in seconds. And scientists say Earth is not completely safe. 1. The asteroid threat. About 66 million years ago, a massive asteroid struck Earth. This event is known as the Cretaceous Paleogene extinction event. The impact was so powerful that it wiped out nearly 75% of all life on Earth, including the dinosaurs. The asteroid was about 10 kilometers wide. When it hit Earth, it released energy equal to billions of nuclear bombs. The sky turned dark for years. Plants died. Food chains collapsed. Now here's the scary part. Asteroids are still flying through space today. NASA constantly tracks thousands of near-Earth objects that could potentially collide with our planet. Even a smaller asteroid hitting a major city could cause unimaginable destruction. And the universe doesn't send warnings. 2. A deadly supernova nearby. Stars don't live forever. When massive stars reach the end of their life, they explode in a gigantic cosmic explosion called a supernova. For a few weeks, a single exploding star can shine brighter than an entire galaxy. But the real danger is the radiation. If a supernova happened close enough to Earth, the intense radiation could destroy our planet's ozone layer. Without the ozone layer, harmful cosmic radiation would flood the planet. This could lead to mass extinction across Earth. Luckily, scientists believe there are no nearby stars likely to explode soon. But in the universe, soon could mean thousands of years. 3. Gamma-ray bursts, the most powerful explosions. Even more powerful than supernovae are gamma-ray bursts. These are the most energetic explosions ever detected in the universe. In just a few seconds, a gamma-ray burst can release more energy than the sun will produce in its entire lifetime. If one of these bursts were pointed directly at Earth from a nearby galaxy, it could strip away our atmosphere. Some scientists even believe that a gamma-ray burst may have caused ancient extinction events on Earth. Thankfully, these events are extremely rare. But they remind us of one thing. The universe is far more dangerous than it looks. 4. The sun's final transformation. Our sun gives life to Earth, but one day it will also destroy it. In about 5 billion years, the sun will enter a stage known as a red giant. During this phase, the sun will expand hundreds of times larger than its current size. Mercury will disappear. Venus will burn away, and Earth may either be swallowed completely or turned into a lifeless burning rock. Oceans will evaporate. The atmosphere will vanish. And life as we know it will be impossible. In the distant future, our own star will become Earth's greatest threat. 5. The ultimate fate of the universe. But what if the end of the world is not just about Earth? What if the entire universe has an ending? Scientists believe most of the universe is made of something mysterious called dark energy. This mysterious force is causing the universe to expand faster and faster. Some theories suggest that in the distant future, galaxies will move so far apart that the universe will become completely dark and cold. Stars will burn out. Galaxies will disappear from view. And eventually, the universe may end in something called the heat death of the cosmos. A silent, frozen universe with no light left. Final thought. The universe is incredibly beautiful, but it is also incredibly powerful. Asteroids, exploding stars, cosmic radiation, and the slow death of our sun remind us of one thing. Earth exists in a vast and unpredictable cosmos. And while these cosmic disasters may be millions or even billions of years away, they prove that the fate of our planet is deeply connected to the universe itself. So the next time you look at the stars in the night sky, remember this. The universe is not just our home. It also holds the power to end everything we know.